Hey guys, so as you've probably guessed from the title of this video, we're going to be dyeing things black. So I have two projects that I wanted to work on today that involve dyeing things black, and I don't know, we're gonna call it sort of a DIY type of thing. And first was a pair of pants that I have, and they were grayish colored jeans, and I accidentally washed them with a pair of pants that had red in them, and the color spread or bled and got on my gray pants, and now they look like crap and they're unwearable. They've turned a sort of pinkish hue. They reminds me of Seinfeld. Does she have a pinkish hue? You guys might not get that if you don't watch Seinfeld. But can you see that? There's areas that, I mean, it's just all over the place. It's all pink. And it is no longer gray. So I figured I would dye these black and then they would be wearable again, because it's better than, you know, if they're not gray, fine, I don't care anymore, but if they're black, it's cool with me, and then I can wear them because they fit me really well, and I would really like to save these jeans. So I purchased a packet of fabric dye. Permanent Solid Coverage, works with natural fabrics and poly cotton. Made by Tulip. I think I got this at Walmart. I have never used this stuff before. I've never dyed anything black before, which is a shocker for me, since mostly everything I own is black. And so the directions basically say we have to fill a bowl or stainless steel sink with a gallon of steaming hot water. Okay. Stir in a 1/4 cup of salt. Why do you need salt? Seems kind of weird to me, but okay. Pour in dye packet and stir until dissolved. Submerge fabric in dye mixture. Stir continually for 15 minutes and then occasionally for 45 minutes. Rinse fabric in cold water. Machine wash warm. Dry per laundry instructions. Okay, so I got a bucket, so I guess we're gonna go use the bucket. I bought a bucket basically just for this, so let's go downstairs and see if we can get this thing to work. I don't really know what steaming hot is. Like, is that steaming hot? I poured hot water in this pan. I was gonna like heat it up a little bit. Well, I mean, there's steam coming off of it, so is that considered steaming? So I might warm it up a little bit more and then take it off and pour it in the bucket that I have over here. So this is the setup. I have a bucket on my kitchen floor with cardboard underneath because I don't want to make a mess. I'm guessing this water is considered steaming because there's steam coming off the top. And I don't think it has to be boiling water. Pour that in there. Add my 1/4 cup of salt. That's a lot of salt. All right, now I'm gonna stir in the dye. And so just stir this around. And then just submerge the item, piece of clothing, inside here. Although, I mean, I have a pair of jeans. Maybe I should have used 2 packets instead of 1. I'm not really sure. All right, here goes nothing. Oh, I put my hand in there. I meant to put gloves on beforehand, but I'm an idiot. You can hear that. It's my son in the background having some fun. She dyes them black. Black, 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 #1. All right, it says to stir continuously for 15 minutes. I can't really stir this because it's, I don't know. Well, I guess a little bit I can stir it, but it's really packed in here. I hope this works, guys, because I really want to wear these jeans again. I don't know. Stir continuously. Why? Can't I just leave it in there? Maybe I should like pick it up and... I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna make a goddamn mess. Oh my god, it stinks. When I picked them up, like a big waft of like steam came up. It smells weird. Really? I gotta sit here for 15 minutes and stir this thing? Should I just be lazy and leave it? I'm not expecting these to come out like stark black. I'm expecting them to be like, you know, like, here I am. Oh my god, I'll stick my hair in there. I'm expecting them to be like, you know, if you put something like that's black in the wash like multiple times, like I'm expecting it to come out looking like that, like a faded black, which I'm fine with. Not like I don't think it's gonna be like a really like deep black or anything like that. All right, I'm gonna continue stirring this off camera because I have to do it for 15 minutes and that's an awfully long time. And then I will come back later. Probably and then it says to leave for 45 minutes and stir occasionally. So I'm gonna leave this and then come back when the 45 minutes is done. So this is the end result. It obviously must have been creased and stuff and in the bucket and didn't get all the areas fully colored. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to do it again. It was a pain in the ass. I feel like it was messy and I really don't feel like doing it again, but I'm obviously gonna have to. Unless you think it looks cool like this with spots of lighter grayish going on. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should I do? You tell me. Dye it again or just leave it the way that it is? So these are the jeans, totally dried on, obviously. And you can notice there's spotting everywhere, but I think that is due to the fact that the jeans were kind of two-toned to begin with, lighter and darker grays. So obviously some parts are gonna be lighter and some parts are gonna be darker. They don't look as bad as I thought they were going to, since the, you know, different spots are kind of throughout, almost like it was meant to be that way on purpose. So let me know what you guys think. Should I leave them as is or should I try dyeing them again? I'm almost tempted just to leave them like this and wear them like this. And so the second part of this video is I am going to be in another short film and we're working on my outfit and everything. I don't want to give too much away, but I want to test out having my hands black, but not stark black, a sort of faded, you know, like blended black. And I've never done this before, just like I didn't do the other thing before. And I picked up this black body makeup. It is Maron makeup, Paradise makeup. That's the box. I bought it off Amazon and it says to activate with a little bit of water and then just blend it into your hands. So I think I'm going to use, you know, like a beauty blender because I really don't have anything else to use. So I'm gonna do that and then see how it goes on my hands and see if it looks like it's the look that we want to have happen. I know I've seen people online do a lot of this with makeup. The new thing is to have like the black. I know I've seen a lot of people with black like here, down their chin, a lot of goth sort of makeup and things like that, or just like blended black around your eyes. So this is my first shot at doing this, so hopefully I can do a good job. So I dampened a beauty blender and I guess I just dip it into this and see what happens. So I'm just gonna kind of do it down my fingers and my hands. Ooh, doesn't look so bad. My only concern is it rubbing off, you know, onto, I'm going to be on set, and I just don't want it to get all over the place. I think a little bit we need more than that. Going down. I talked to the writer, director, and he kind of was just like, you know, a blended sort of look. Not stark black. So what I'll probably do is do little by little, and then maybe I'm going to take some pictures to send to him to see if this is what he was looking for. I'd love to play around more with the makeup and do some of those looks that I see people do online. I just feel like I don't have the talent to do it. I have no artistic ability. As far as drawing and things, I'm not good at that stuff. Never was an artist. Never could draw. I could draw a stick figure. That's about it. I want to get it between my fingers so it looks natural. I don't know, how's that? Does that look weird? Or does that look spooky? I'm supposed to be kind of spooky. I think it looks kind of cool. You know, just like a subtle black, like my hands are sort of dirty. Okay, I'm going to take a picture of this and send it to him and see what he thinks. And then also I think we're going to, if he likes it, then we're going to do it on my feet also, because I'm going to be barefoot for this role. So I thought with the black feet and black hands it would look cool together. So I heard back from him and he said, it looks awesome, and maybe a little bit darker, but he can't, it's hard to tell from a picture on a phone. So I'm just going to do it a little bit darker. And then we're not sure if we want to do my face, as some going down my face as well, or just, I don't know. I don't want to give too much away. So this is my second movie that I'll be in with this writer-director. If you haven't seen my other movie that I was in, it's up on my channel. It's called Just Like You. And I play the role of a really abusive religious mother. What do you think? That's a little bit darker. Am I scary? So I think that's good for that. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah. So I don't know. I think this movie, we're working on the movie this weekend coming up, and I don't know when it's going to be actually released, but I am looking forward to playing the part. So that's it for my DIY projects today. Hope you guys had fun doing it with me. It's just stuff that I've been meaning to get done. I had to do. In the future, I'd like to do a couple more DIYs. I'm also working on a collaboration with a fellow YouTuber where it's in the works. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. So yeah, it's hard sometimes because of my son, and I work 2 part-time jobs to, you know, film these DIYs or even do one myself or get things done that I would like to do for myself. So yeah, hopefully in the future I will have more. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys here. And stay dark, my friends, like black, 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 #1. That was pretty cheesy. Anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye.